Yo, so I finally got my A7S III in, one of them at least. I ordered a couple of them, but one came before the other, and it's funny because it's the last one that I ordered. Weird, but whatever. Anyway, today I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the TILTA full cage for the A7S III, just so you guys can see what comes in a box and what it looks like on the camera body. All right, this is gonna be a quick video. First, let's roll that intro though. All right, now that we got that out of the way, it's real quick that you know that this channel is for content creators that are looking to turn their passion into profit. If you want to fix your sister's eyelashes, this is not the place. However, we do like to talk about gear, and we do like to talk about making sure we're spending our money in the right places. But enough with all that. Let's get straight to the unboxing.
Dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah, riding around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, but we ain't with all that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Made $1 million and I can't go back. Got a lot of jewelry on me, man, you can't hold that. 12 asking better, tell him that I ain't so crack. Know your money long when your people can't afford that. I'm ballin', yeah. My mama told me that did my calling. I keep that stick, I don't do no brawling. Open out the doors and let them all in here. Yeah, they all in here. Ooh, big dog. We come out the pound, so we big dog. Heavy paddock, got me break my ribs.